Hello, today I will show you how to change the lower heater blend door actuator on a 2005 GMC Sierra truck. First, we will disconnect the battery and do not lose the bolt. We will be using 7mm long neck socket and 7/32mm long and short neck socket. First, we will remove the bottom cover. There are three 7mm screws that hold the cover in place. First, I disconnect the blend door electrical. Then, I remove the two bolts holding the actuator using the long neck 7/32 seconds. I use the short neck 7/32 seconds near driver's side as the long neck was too tight. Pull straight down. Just wiggle in the new blender with this connector, how I did in this video. It should stay in place. Reconnect the electrical and screw back in place. Turn on the truck and test the heater. You will hear the door opening and also feel the heat. I hope this video helps. Follow and subscribe to my page for more videos. Thank you.